Hi, welcome to Play in the Park at STEM Storytime with Dora at the library.
Hi! Excited for this one. This one's all about construction.
Yoo-hoo!
And it's a STEM story time, so it's all about, can you remember? Science, technology, engineering and maths. Lots of fun stuff. Let's start off with a song, Jamie.
Okay, can we do one about trucks?
Yeah, definitely.
Okay.
This one's a bit like the wheels on the bus go round and round, but it's going to be about trucks. Here we go. Ready?
Yep, I got my keys.
Woohoo! The wheels on the dump truck go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the dump truck go round and round, all across the site.
The crane.
Ready?
Yep.
The crane on the site goes lift, 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 lift. The crane on the site goes lift, 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 all day long. What's next?
Cement truck.
Ooh, the cement truck on the site goes mix, 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 mix. The cement truck on the site goes mix, 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 all day long.
Excavator.
Ooh, the excavator on the site goes dig, 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 dig. The excavator on the site goes dig, 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 all day long. One more.
Okay, what do you want it to be?
Bulldozer.
Alright.
The bulldozer on the site goes push, 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 push. The bulldozer on the site goes push, 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 until all the work is done. Whoa, those trucks are busy.
Wow, we got all the work done. I think now that the work's done, it's time for a story.
That's a great idea. Here's one called Goodnight Goodnight Construction Site. And it's written by Sherri, Dusky, Rinker and Tom Lichtenheld. And it's been published by, let me check, by Chronicle Books.
Oh,
Are you ready?
Can I help by holding the book?
That would be great. I've got my great little book easel here with me today.
Alright, I'll turn onto the first
Oh, wow,
page.
it looks like that crane's holding up the sun.
Ew. I thought it was the moon, but I think you're right, it is the sun.
Goodnight construction site. Down in the big construction site, the tough trucks work with all their might to build a building, make a road, to get the job done, load by load.
Wow, it's pretty busy on the construction site. All these trucks.
The sun has set, the work is done. It's time for trucks to end their fun. So one by one, they'll go to bed to yawn and rest their sleepy heads. Then wake up to another day of rough and tough construction play.
That'd be pretty cool at that construction site. Lots of stuff happening.
Working hard to help his team, crane truck raises one last beam. Wonder where that's going to go. Reaching, stretching, lifting high, he swings the beam into the sky. Woo! He'll set it down right on its mark and then off to bed. It's almost dark.
Oh, it's going here. I wonder what they're building.
He slowly folds his boom back in and then, with one last sleepy grin, he tucks himself in nice and tight and then cuddles up and says good night.
Shh. Good night, crane truck. Good night. Oh, and look at this. He's got his own star and he's snuggling his teddy bear. Just there.
Oh, that's Looks like a nice teddy to snuggle.
Yeah, even trucks like teddies.
Spinning, churning all day long, Cement Mixer sings his whirly song.
Ooh.
Can you do a whirly song, Jamie?
Whirly twirly, whirly twirly whirl. Whirly twirly, whirly twirly, whirly twirly whirl.
Oh, great. That was a good one. Now yawn. He's weary and so dizzy from the fun that keeps him busy. With one last spin, he paws the load. Oh, out it goes. He's ready now to leave the road.
Oh, he's all finished putting down the pad.
He takes a bath, gets shiny bright, pulls up his chute and turns off his light. He cuts his engine slow, his drum, and dreams, sweet dreams, of twirly fun.
Good night, Cement Mixer. Good night. Oh, look, he's got his little blanket on him. Hey? Dora, is that a banana?
No, that's the moon.
Oh, that's the moon.
Dump truck loves to work and haul. He carries loads both big, whoa, big, and small. Just like this little rock that's fallen out of the back of his truck.
Dunk, dunk.
He moves the dirt from place to place and then dumps it with a happy face. One final load spills on the heap. Crunch, crunch. Now dump truck's tired and wants to sleep.
Have a look at this. Dump truck is really quite big, but he looks very small when he's on top of this giant pile of rocks.
He lowers his bed and locks the gate, rests his wheels. It's getting late. He dims his lights and then shuts his doors. And soon his engine slows to snores.
Hey, pipe down. Time to sleep. Good night, dump truck. Good night.
Good night, dump truck. Pushing with his mighty blade, bulldozer works to smooth the grade. He clears the way to level ground and fills the air with a thunderous sound. Roar! Roar! No one's as tough and strong as he, but now he's sleepy as can be.
He's been moving lots of rocks. Very busy.
He puffs some smoke out of his stack, turns off his engine, stops his track. He curls into his soft dirt bed and dreams of days ahead.
Good night, bulldozer. Good night. Oh, look, he's all snuggled into his dirt bed. Is that another banana?
No, that's still the moon, Jamie. Scooping gravel, dirt and sand, excavator shapes the land. He digs and lifts throughout the day. But now it's time to end his play. Oh, the excavator's been digging lots of shapes.
Yeah, I think they're going to put all these pipes in there. Maybe that's for the water to go.
A few more holes to dig and soon he'll roll to bed beneath the moon. He twirls upon his bumpy track, pulls up his boom and stretches his back. He sets his scoop down on the ground and snuggles up without a sound.
Good night, excavator. Good night.
These big trucks, so tough and loud, they work so hard, so rough and proud. Tomorrow is another day, another chance to work and play. Turn off your engine, stop your tracks, relax your wheels, your stacks and backs. No more huffing and puffing, team. It's time to rest your heads and dream.
All the trucks are looking sleepy now.
Construction site, all tucked in tight. The day's done. Turn off the light.
Great work today. Now, shh. Good night.
The end. Hope you like that story. That's a fun one about lots of different trucks going to sleep, isn't it? Having a very busy day. I think we should do another song.
Okay.
Should we do another one about trucks?
Yeah.
How about some baby trucks?
Yep.
Okay. Let's start off with a mixer.
Oh, I've got a mixer here.
Mixer truck, do 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 do. Mixer truck, do 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 do. Mixer truck. Dozer truck, do 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 do. Dozer truck, do 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 do. Dozer truck. Forklift truck, do 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 do. Forklift truck, do 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 do. Forklift truck.
Roller.
Rolly truck, do 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 do. Roller truck, do 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 do. Roller truck. Dumper truck, do 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 do. Dumper truck, do 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 do. Dumper truck. Let's go build, do 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 do. Let's go build, do 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 do. Let's go build. Building slow, do 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 do. Building slow, do 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 do. Building slow.
Building fast.
Do 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 do. Building fast, do 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 do. Building fast. Time to rest, do 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 do. Time to rest, do 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 do. Time to rest. Good night trucks, do 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 do. Good night trucks, do 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 do. Good night trucks.
Good night, trucks.
Good night trucks. And if this is a bedtime story, good night you.
Good night.